afternoon, everybody. It's your girl Terrace, and I'm back with a vlog today. So today I decided to do a vlog, and I feel like vlogging today. I don't really have a lot to do today, and I'm not gonna make up nothing to do. That's what we're not about to do, okay? At 3 o'clock, which is like in 15 minutes, I have a nail appointment to get my nails done, and I have an eyebrow appointment. So yeah, these people, I haven't been doing my eyebrows well, but until I find somebody new, I'll go to them. But they just haven't been hitting. Like my arches, like my eyebrows, they don't really have an arch, so like they be arching them for me, but they haven't been hitting lately. Today we have a couple things to do. I already went to Best Buy this morning, and I tried to buy something for my camera, but it looks like I need to go get my money back because I don't know what I'm doing. And I maybe just need to make an appointment with Best Buy because they good with that. Please teach me. I need help. Tonight, I'm going out with my friends. Y'all gonna meet Ari, you're gonna meet Candace, and you're going to meet Berlin today. Berlin said she's bringing somebody else. I don't know who, but you'll meet them, I guess. Yeah, I put this hat on because, baby, the lace is not it. She's not it. Oh, Lord. The wig is scooted back. Let's go, because I don't want to be late. And, hope y'all like this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Terrace Destiny. Okay? And I'll see y'all later. All right, y'all. So we are home. Nails is did. Eyebrows is done. It looks so much better. Oh, that looks so much better. Anyways, I know I look crazy right now, but just wait. Wait on it, okay? Anyways, I'm going to show y'all how I revamp my wigs. Even though it's ripped, I'm going to show you how to finesse it, all right? We balling on a budget. It takes less than 5 minutes to get all this stuff off. So, all that extra stuff these people be telling you to soak in and stuff, girl, you get you some Dawn soap and some hot water, and you rinse it off, and that's it. I promise. Anyways, get you some hot water. Just a little pot of hot water. You get you some Dawn soap. I put a little bit on the end of the lace. You're gonna massage it. Massage it in. Sometimes I scratch it just to really get it in there. And then that's what it looks like on the top. Can you see it? There we go. That's what it looks like on the top. Then you're gonna see all the gum. You see that? Ooh. Now, I have time right now, so I kind of got everything wet, but this is like the fastest way. She looks so clean. Some hot water. And she is fresh and clean. Fresh and clean. Oh, no. Okay. Don't be like me and get the whole wig wet, all right? Why does wig look so stiff? That's what you call a fresh lace, girl. She fresh. Even though she ripped, she's still fresh, okay? I don't care what y'all gotta say. That thing is fresh. All right. Check me out, though. I'm gonna put these right here. I'm gonna show y'all something real quick to make y'all wig process easier. When I put this on, you're not even gonna know it's ripped. Look at that big old hole. Ooh. Is it still recording? Period. Okay. So, because I got to charge my phone for like an hour. Because I got to film tonight because when I'm going to be with my girls. For you, our girls. Anyways, okay. So, I don't like my wigs to look too wiggish. So, what I do, this spray right here, this hairspray is really good because all that got to be and other stuff, it make the hair hard. I just spray it in front. It's a little bit. And then I kind of hold it. And I kind of turn. Get that little, you see that? Ooh, she cute. I know y'all see that. The same thing to this side. I like to style the wig when it's on the wig, on the dome head, because it's just easier and it's faster. And I don't got to worry about burning myself. Because this thing, I know y'all seen that little burnt mark that's right here. I know y'all see that. I know y'all see that. I'm never doing that again. Right here, this Kira Care. I know y'all know about this stuff already, but that's all right. And then I put the little flyaways down. Make it shine too. And then you melt that with the hot comb. You take your Grwm Fruities. This is the Sleek and Shine. I only use this for straight hair. I don't really use it for body wave or curly hair because it make it look greasy. And you all finished, sis. Your wig is revamped. You heard me? Split ends. How your weave got split ends? Girl, it's just time. Throw it away. All right. Anyways, I'll see y'all later when I'm going to get dressed. Bye.
Talk to me nice. Talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes. Don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, it feels so nice. We time. You, I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. On my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind.
All right, y'all. My hair is done. Did I tell you it's going to look like nothing ever happened? Look. Finesse it, sweetie. Finesse it. I'm going to show y'all my outfit real quick. Period. I got this dress from Fashion Nova. This is like a really long bodycon dress. I got this in a 1X, I believe. Yep, 1X. It's a little cold outside, but I think it's best if my bad, y'all. I think it's best if I just, because I wanted to wear this shirt too. It's like a little, it's hard to see when it's on the hanger, but I think I'm gonna just wear that. But I just don't have no shoes. Girl, I'm about to eat so good. Y'all don't even understand. I'm about to eat so good. I got these Fashion Nova shoes, but I don't think they go with that. This don't go with that. That don't go with that. I guess it don't matter. I'll just wear these little strappy sandals then. It'll be okay. And I'm gonna take a bag from my sister's room. Let's go see what she got. It's 6:34. Ooh, baby, we on time. Not really, because I gotta be there by 7. I've been in here looking for stuff. I don't know where she keep her purses. She gonna be mad when she sees this, but hold on. Hold on. Where does she keep her purses? Cause Tamara, she been buying some stuff. I just need to borrow a bag, girl. Oh, I see them. Oh, I see them. Okay, she got this one. I think I might use this one. Ooh, I'm so sorry, Tamara. I'm so sorry, love. I'm gonna put it back. Hold on, I'm trying to see. I think that's it. Yeah, we're gonna use that one. There's another one that I used. I don't know, but it's okay. I just needed a clear one. Period. All right. Found what I needed. So I'm about to get dressed, and y'all gonna see my fit real quick. I need to hurry up because I need to be there I need to get dressed in like 15 minutes. So let's go. We were on time, but I don't know what happened. It's okay. Let's keep it pushing. Oh, let me show y'all my fit. Let me show y'all the fit, girl. Hold on. I didn't even show y'all. I'm gonna say let's go because I'm already late, but anyways. See, but this is the fit. Bam. Bam. Got that good girdle on, but yeah. This what we rocking with tonight. Fit, y'all. She's cute. Very much cute. So anyways, let me go because I'm about to be late. Bye.
Let's set the tone. A bottle of red wine and pheromones. The conversation flows. A couple of hours, see how it goes. I really trust my senses. Catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing. You seem to have it all. In loving not for anything emotional too soon. You got my invitation, now the rest is up to you. Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like
If you are tall, dark, and handsome, over the age of 21 or older.
Feeling kinda tipsy, didn't drink, so I don't get it.
You got me stuck inside your love cycle. I read your love Bible. Hey y'all, I hope y'all like this video. Anyways, I'm over here about to end the vlog. Girl, I'm sleepy. Ooh, I'm so sleepy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Girl, close and personal. See you next week. Next week we finna go out again. So y'all stay tuned. All right. See you later. Period. Bye.